If you're considering ZorroVPN, there are a few things you should know before making the purchase. While it's one of many VPN options out there, it stands out in a few key areas, but also has some drawbacks when compared to its competitors, like NordVPN or ExpressVPN. Stick around until the end, as we'll give you our final recommendation. The first thing you need to know is ZorroVPN's speed. Compared to some of the bigger names in the industry, ZorroVPN's speeds are decent, but not exceptional. While it does maintain solid performance for streaming and browsing, it can occasionally lag behind the more premium services that offer faster connection speeds and a wider array of server locations. Next thing is the server network. ZorroVPN operates with fewer servers than some of its top competitors. This can sometimes lead to congestion during peak hours, resulting in slower connections. If you're someone who needs consistent, high-speed access to servers in many countries, other VPNs may be a better fit for your needs. The third thing is its security features. ZorroVPN offers solid encryption and security protocols, including OpenVPN and IKEV2. However, it lacks the additional features that some premium services offer, like double VPN or advanced leak protection. If these features are important to you, it's worth considering a different option. The fourth thing to note is its pricing. ZorroVPN offers competitive pricing, which might seem attractive at first glance, but it does have a limited free trial, and its long-term plans are only slightly cheaper than top-tier competitors like ExpressVPN, which provides a much more comprehensive service. The fifth thing is its ease of use. The interface is user-friendly, even for beginners. ZorroVPN is easy to set up and navigate, with apps available for all major platforms. That being said, it lacks some of the customization options and fine-tuning controls that more advanced users might expect. Next, let's talk about privacy. ZorroVPN has a no-logs policy, which is great. However, unlike some of the industry leaders, it hasn't undergone an independent audit to verify this claim. If you're someone who values transparency, this might raise some red flags. Another point to consider is the streaming capabilities. ZorroVPN works with popular streaming services like Netflix and BBC iPlayer, but it may not consistently unblock all geo-restricted content, unlike other services like NordVPN, which excels in this area with optimized servers for streaming. The next thing is its customer support. ZorroVPN offers 24/7 customer support via live chat, which is convenient. However, the support team can sometimes be slow to respond, especially during busy periods. Top-tier VPN providers typically offer faster response times and more extensive support resources. The eighth thing to mention is its device compatibility. ZorroVPN supports a wide range of devices, including routers, which is a plus for those looking to secure all their devices at once. However, it doesn't support as many simultaneous connections as its competitors, which can be a deal breaker for larger households or businesses. The ninth thing is its kill switch feature. ZorroVPN includes a kill switch, which is crucial if you need to protect your privacy in case the VPN connection drops. However, this feature is not as robust or customizable as what you'll find in some of the best VPN services out there. The 10th thing you should know is its performance on mobile. ZorroVPN has decent apps for both iOS and Android, but they're not as polished as some of the top VPN apps. If you prioritize mobile use, you might find other VPNs offer a smoother and more feature-rich experience. The 11th thing is the trial period. ZorroVPN offers a 7-day free trial, but it comes with some limitations. If you're looking to test it out more extensively, it might not give you the full experience. In comparison, other services like NordVPN offer a money-back guarantee, giving you a longer window to fully test their features. The final thing to mention is its overall value. ZorroVPN is a solid option if you're looking for a budget-friendly VPN with reasonable speeds and decent security. However, when compared to industry leaders like ExpressVPN or NordVPN, it doesn't quite stack up in terms of features, server network, and customer support. So, is ZorroVPN worth it? It's a good option if you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use VPN. But if you want a better experience with more features, faster speeds, and more server locations, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.